morning, but I just want to share a fantastic recipe with you guys this morning to say that, a lot of people may just wake up now, but if you're just waking up, I want to say pretty good morning and welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo with another one. All right, guys. So what I'm going to do is simply show you how you can make this an amazing drink at home in your kitchen, as you can see my display right there. All right. I want to say good morning to every one of you. Markia, good morning. Oh my God, why are you writing that one? All right, Danata, good morning. So I'm just gonna. Oh my God, why people write these things on the internet, man? Come on, we can do better than that. We don't need to write certain things. All right, now, Lord of mercy. Anyway, just gonna simply say to you, we're gonna be making a beautiful drink this morning. Or you can boost your body with vitamin 6, B6, and I'm gonna be using some fruits this morning for you guys to show you exactly what you can do at home. I want to take the time out to say good morning to every one of you guys, and my passion is to show you guys how you can also make healthy things at home. Anyway, I'm gonna introduce you to my natural season which I've been using right here. You can get this on this season on Caribbean Fusion. I keep messing up this word, man. But this one is the Master Roast and Grill seasoning. It's got 18 different kind of mixed herbs in it, and also it is vegan friendly, and it's also low in salt, and also it is also very good at the side to tell you what all ingredients and all these things inside of it, and also gluten free, which is very important also. So basically, if you go to caribbeanfuse.com, that they are in the United States of America. They send me these seasons and Chef Ricardo, can I try it and introduce it to my audience, and that's what I've been doing over the last few days. That you guys can see exactly how you can get this kind of season. It's in my description box. I'm gonna put the website and all the information where you can go and get these seasoning. 18 different kind of herbs in this, and also it's very good if you're a person who are interested in weight loss. This come in really handy for you guys. Honestly, they got that. This one is the turkey rub, and I'm going to make something as soon as I make this an amazing hot drink right here, guys. This is lovely. Look at this now. We're gonna simply show you what we're gonna do. I got some fresh thyme. I just come from the supermarket and I brought myself some fresh thyme. Wash off my ingredients. So if you have one of these glass or cup at home, it doesn't matter. You can also use it. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So you wanna put a nice, lovely, fresh piece of thyme. Mint inside of your cup like this. Apologize to that one. All right. Then what you wanna do, you wanna get some blueberry and simply squeeze them inside of it and put it straight inside of it. I did a video like this similar yesterday morning, but this one is a little bit different. All right, this one going to be vitamin B6. You can also buy the capsule if you want and put it into your water and drink it. You can buy the tea bag, but I just believe if you do the natural stuff at home, it works even much better for you. So what you want to do, you want to get some blueberry and simply squeeze them like this, quite a few of them, and put them into your cup or your glass, whatever you're using at home, just like what you see I'm doing right here. All right, then now I got some rosemary. You're gonna just simply squeeze them in and put them straight inside of your glass like that. All right, make sure wash your hand and be safe at home. All right, as you can see exactly what I'm doing, I'm putting quite a few of them inside of it, and I want you guys to see exactly what I've been doing right here. Nice one. So if you squeeze up quite a few of them and just simply put them into the glass, just like this, and just like this, just quite a few of them. And you can get this into your local shop or your supermarket. They are local ingredients. You don't need to fly to another country when quarantine is over to get these ingredients. All right, guys, they are local. Beautiful. So if you put quite a few of them, then what you want to do, also, you can get yourself a lemon or a lime and cut a nice slices off of it. Cut into half and that's simple. Put into it like this and like this. That is fantastic and an amazing. Now, if you want also, you can simple get yourself an orange, beautiful, and also put it straight inside of it, just like this. All right, that is fantastic and an amazing. All right, and that's exactly I want you guys to do at home in this time. All right, so basically a lot of people been running to the supermarket and grab themselves quite a few ingredients. So if you go to the supermarket, grab yourself some ingredients. This is exactly what you need to do. All right, so as you can see, that looking really amazing right there. All right, now the thing is, what I'm gonna do is I already boiled my kettle. I'm gonna simply pour some hot water inside of it like this. And that is lovely. Look at that, beautiful. That is a perfect vitamin B6 right there. All right, and that's what you need to do at home in your kitchen. Lovely. Now the thing is, I'm just gonna use my spoon. All right, and just simple move it around inside of it. Nice one. So this is what you want to do when you're at home and drink it in the morning. Get that beautiful vitamin B6. Do not add any sugar or no sweetener, no honey, nothing inside of it. You keep it natural and organic style like this right here. So this is what you want to do first thing in the morning when you wake up. All right, and honestly, all of these is just natural and really good for the body. So this is like a vitamin B6 right here. So this is what you want to drink early in the morning when you wake up, if you want to put a little bit of extra inside of your immune system. This coming in really handy and amazing for you at home. All right, so yesterday morning I did that video, and also we're going to show you exactly what you can do. You can make yourself a nice lovely vitamin C, very easy at home, by using some orange. All right, if you get some orange. All right, so all of these things right here which we've been keeping in our house, and then sometimes they go to stale and go to waste. This is what you can do. You get some orange and you pop it straight inside of your glass, just like this. All right, and what you can also do, you can leave this for it to cool down to that normal temperature, and like once it cool down and turn into a cold drinking water, you just drink that, and that's a vitamin C B right there you're looking at. So some lemon, some orange, and also some fresh mint. All right, get some fresh mint and just put it straight inside of your glass. You can get some also some lemon. Nice one. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna pop that straight inside of it, just like this. All right, that is amazing. That is fantastic, guys. So now once you do that, what I'm gonna do is to show you exactly is to get yourself like a red apple, or if you even want to use a green apple, is up to you. Whatever you want to use, which one of them is the thing very. So if you get some apple, I'm gonna be using some green apple right here. I'm gonna put some green apple inside of it, just like this. Nice one. And then you just pour some hot water on it like this. Beautiful, guys. And what you want to do, you just want to just leave this, that's it, dissolve into the hot water. All right, honestly, guys, this is just to, boots up your body and your immune system. All right, To be honest, I am a person, I love to use ginger in my, all of these things that you see I've been making right here. I like to use a little bit of a ginger powder. If you want to, you just add a little bit of ginger powder. Or if you got some fresh organic ginger, you can, you know what I mean, use a little bit. Alright, just get my ginger, shake up a little bit. Just, yeah, I just put a little bit of ginger inside of it, you know what I mean? Because the ginger give it a lovely, like a spicy, you know what I mean, that beautiful kick what you are looking for. All right, beautiful. Look at that. That is fantastic and an amazing. All right, so now once you have this like this circle right there, so this is what you want to do this morning when you wake up. All right, I know, and if you're at work, you also, if you're at work, you know, sometimes we work in certain area, we have a lot of fruits by the table and all them things. You can do something like this, guys, honestly, you know what I mean? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drink this one. That is amazing. I know what, you know what happened, it's cooled down very quick because of the fruits, so it's just lovely and tasteable with the fruits and everything inside of it. It is fantastic. So this one is the vitamin B6. All right, this one is very, very, very good for the body. All right, so basically you can drink this one in the morning, and not only that, you can get this in the tea bag if you are, so you can get it in tea bag, and you can get this one also in tea bag. But you know what I mean, make it at home is even 100% better. All right, wow, that is fantastic and amazing, beautiful. Look at that. So you just want to make sure everything is just, you know what I mean, mix up inside of it, and then you want to just drink this. All right, and that is just good for a lovely vitamin B6 in the morning. And once it cool down right onto that temperature, you're pretty good to go. That is fantastic. I love it. The flavor and the taste of the fruits, oh my days in heaven, it is amazing. And I know you guys definitely will love this one, guys, honestly, as you can see for yourself. That is fantastic. It is just delicious. The flavor, the taste, and the texture of it is amazing, honestly. All right, so as you can see it for yourself, one more time again in the kitchen with another one, which from Chef Ricardo. It's just amazing. This one, beautiful. The vitamin B6. So you just want to drink this in the morning. That is amazing, guys. If you ever taste this, if you could ever once taste this, you would just say, wow. The flavor and the taste of the raspberry and the blueberry mixed together with the lemon. It is fantastic and an amazing, guys. And I'm telling you, you can do this at home, and it does not expensive. That's the whole thing about this an amazing drink. All right, so that is lovely, and that is delicious, and that is nice. So what we're going to do now, we're going to be showing you how you can also save money at home in your kitchen. All right, now to be honest with you, I have a few of my ingredients still left over, and what you can also do, if you have a few ingredients left over, this is what you can also do, is make some amazing drink or something. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you need to do. All right, that is just beautiful and an amazing. I love